Hold on to your seats, because the future just arrived. It's September 26th, 2025, and we're unveiling the mind-blowing breakthroughs that are rewriting everything. From curing the incurable with gene therapy, to discovering alien clues on Mars, to quantum wizardry unlocking secrets of the universe.
These top 10 science and tech advances will leave you speechless. Are you ready to witness history in the making? Let's dive into the astonishing innovations of 2025.
Top 10 science and technology breakthroughs as of September 26th, 2025. As of September 26th, 2025, science and technology have unveiled transformative breakthroughs that promise to reshape medicine, space exploration, computing, and environmental sustainability. From curing devastating diseases to probing the cosmos, these advancements reflect humanity's drive to solve complex challenges. Below is a detailed summary of the top 10 breakthroughs, highlighting their significance, applications, and implications for society, economy, and ethics.
1. Gene therapy for Huntington's disease. On September 24, 2025, UK researchers announced a gene therapy that slows Huntington's disease progression by 75% in early trials, a first for this fatal neurodegenerative disorder affecting 670,000 people globally. Using an adeno-associated virus to deliver RNA that silences the mutated Huntington gene, this one-time spinal injection targets the brain's striatum to halt toxic protein production. With Phase 3 trials set for 2026, it could extend functional life by decades. However, its $1 to $2 million cost raises access concerns, potentially limiting it to wealthy nations and creating healthcare inequities. Economically, it could boost the $8.7 billion gene therapy market to $20 billion by 2030, but high costs may delay global rollout. Ethically, questions of informed consent for genetic testing and equitable distribution challenge its promise, risking a divide where only the affluent benefit.
2. Orforglipron, oral obesity and diabetes drug. On September 24th, 2025, a global study revealed orforglipron, an oral GLP-1 agonist, achieves over 10% weight loss in 80% of patients, with 20% losing up to 20%, rivaling injectables like Ozempic. This needle-free pill, effective for 650 million obese and 537 million diabetic individuals, enhances adherence with fewer side effects. Its small molecule design overcomes bioavailability issues with potential applications in NASH treatment. It could save $2 trillion in healthcare costs, but cultural stigma and overuse risks complicate its impact. Economically, it may capture a share of the $130 billion obesity drug market, though insurance barriers persist. Ethically, its focus on affluent markets may sideline neglected diseases, and overuse for vanity could divert resources from systemic health solutions.
3. NASA's diverse astronaut cohort. On September 23, 2025, NASA selected 10 astronaut candidates, including pioneers from underrepresented STEM communities, for Artemis lunar missions and future Mars exploration. Trained for 2026 moon landings, their expertise in robotics and AI advances lunar habitat technologies like water recycling. This diversity inspires youth, with 70% public approval, but critics question the $93 billion Artemis cost amid Earth's crises. Economically, it drives 400,000 jobs and contracts for SpaceX, though budget overruns spark debate. Ethically, lunar ambitions raise concerns about neglecting terrestrial issues like climate change, and diversity efforts risk tokenism without systemic STEM reforms.
4. Smart hydrogel for arthritis. On September 25th, 2025, Cambridge researchers introduced a pH-sensitive hydrogel that detects arthritis flares and releases drugs like methotrexate at inflamed joints, reducing dosing and side effects for 350 million patients. Preclinical data show 60% less systemic exposure, minimizing toxicity, with trials for biologics planned for 2026. It could cut $300 billion in arthritis costs, but specialized delivery may exclude rural areas. Economically, it fuels the $83 billion arthritis market, potentially reaching $120 billion by 2030. Ethically, its high-tech nature risks neglecting low-resource regions, where acute diseases like sepsis are underfunded, raising questions about healthcare priorities.
5. Vivianite and greigite on Mars. On September 10, 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover detected vivianite and greigite in Jezero crater, minerals linked to microbial life on Earth, suggesting Mars had life-friendly conditions 3.5 billion years ago. Cached samples for 2031 return missions could confirm biosignatures, reshaping astrobiology. Public interest is high, 65% support Mars exploration, but inflated expectations risk distrust if findings are inconclusive. Economically, the $700 million Perseverance mission drives spectrometry innovations for industries like mining, $50 billion market. Ethically, planetary protection concerns arise, as contamination could harm Martian ecosystems, and the focus on Mars may divert attention from Earth's biodiversity crisis.
6. 6,000th exoplanet, a habitable super-Earth. On September 17, 2025, NASA confirmed the 6,000th exoplanet, a super-Earth in a red dwarf's habitable zone with potential liquid water. Targeted for JWST atmospheric studies in 2026, it advances the search for extraterrestrial life. Machine learning has cut detection times by 40%, inspiring 80% of STEM students, but colonization narratives are unrealistic. The $10 billion exoplanet ecosystem benefits optics and AI industries, with private funding rising. Ethically, the focus on distant worlds may overshadow Earth's climate crisis, prioritizing cosmic dreams over immediate sustainability.
7. Floquet topological quantum state. On September 12, 2025, a 58-qubit processor achieved the first Floquet topologically ordered state, reducing quantum errors by 50% via laser-induced protection. This enables fault-tolerant quantum computing, with applications in cryptography and drug discovery by 2030. The $1.2 billion quantum market could hit $65 billion by 2035, but public understanding is low, 20% awareness. Ethically, the technology's concentration among tech giants and governments risks surveillance misuse and digital divides, raising concerns about prioritizing corporate interests over societal benefits.
8. AI for spinal cord injury prognosis. On September 23, 2025, an AI model using blood biomarkers predicted spinal cord injury recovery with 85% accuracy, aiding 250,000 annual cases. Trained on 10,000 records, it outperforms traditional methods, 60% accuracy, and could extend to brain injuries. It may reduce disability rates and $7 billion rehab costs, but rural access is limited. Ethically, data privacy risks loom, especially in weakly regulated regions, and high-tech focus may marginalize low-cost therapies like physical therapy.
9. Biochar's electron transfer mechanism. On September 26, 2025, scientists discovered biochar degrades pollutants like PFAS via electron transfer, boosting efficacy by 40%. This enhances water purification and soil remediation for industrial waste. It could transform environmental cleanup, but scaling to global waste sites is challenging. Economically, it supports the $50 billion remediation market with low-cost production. Ethically, its adoption depends on industries prioritizing sustainability over cheaper alternatives, raising questions about corporate accountability.
10. Lens-free mid-infrared camera. On September 26, 2025, engineers unveiled a lens-free mid-infrared camera, cutting thermal imaging costs by 90% for drones and wearables. Applications include fever detection and agriculture, but affordability for mass markets is uncertain. It could grow the $15 billion imaging market with partnerships like FLIR Systems. Ethically, its surveillance potential raises privacy concerns, and equitable distribution is critical to avoid niche exclusivity.
Conclusion. These 2025 breakthroughs, from gene therapy to Martian discoveries, herald a transformative era, but their promise is tempered by challenges. Accessibility, ethical prioritization, and societal impact demand scrutiny to ensure innovation serves all. As we navigate this frontier, balancing progress with responsibility will shape a future where science uplifts humanity without leaving millions behind.